Wait, so you're not using YouTube Shorts to grow your YouTube channel? Welcome, I'm Royal. Welcome to Royal's Mindset. And in this video, we're going to talk about using YouTube Shorts to grow your YouTube channel. YouTube Shorts is still a very new feature to the YouTube platform as it rolled out in fall of 2020. YouTube Shorts is still pretty new for most creators, so there's still room to grow. There's still room for massive YouTube views, watch hours, and of course, subscribers to grow your YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you my personal results with using YouTube Shorts. I'm going to share with you inside the back office of all my stats and everything, so you guys get to see exactly what's possible on how quickly you can grow your YouTube channel with using YouTube Shorts. Be sure to hit that like button as we move forward, all right? TikTok has been really popular and growing really fast, so other platforms have been utilizing this short video content so that others can enjoy what's similar on TikTok also on the YouTube platform, as well as IG Reels. I know for a fact you're probably doing everything you can to grow on YouTube. Maybe your goal is to get monetized so that you can actually make money from YouTube. And by using YouTube Shorts, that is a definite way you can reach those goals even faster. So I want to share with you the last 28 days of what my channel has been doing personally with using YouTube Shorts versus the long form content, all right? So in the last 28 days, guys, my channel has gotten over 60 hours of watch time. And as a small content creator who's not yet monetized, guys, I wanted to try out YouTube Shorts to see how it would do for my channel. And just bear with me right now as I share with you these stats. And I want to share with you down here, as you see my top videos, one of these YouTube Shorts have gotten over 1,200 views, and it's the second video within the last 28 days, guys. So this video has been getting a lot of views, a lot of attention, and it's a very short video. So let's go back, guys. Let me scroll back up. I want to share with you what Shorts have done since I started utilizing it in 2021, which just has only been a couple months. You can see my channel has a total of 876 total watch hours, almost at 900 watch hours. I'm sure I'll be past 900 by the end of the year, maybe 1,000. We'll see as I continue to upload more content. You know what? Let's do it even better. Instead of 2021, guys, let's see how YouTube Shorts have done with my channel overall. All right, since I created my channel. So let's scroll down to lifetime. Let's click on lifetime. And let's see exactly where my YouTube Shorts is ranked. And I quit YouTube for 5 years, guys. Huge mistake on my end. As a content creator, do not stop creating. Do not stop uploading content. Keep forward in the pursuit of the YouTube goals that you guys are trying to accomplish, all right? Do not make my mistake. So as we scroll down, guys, I want to show you how many videos are within the top 10 of my overall YouTube channel since I started it, all right? So as we got one right here. As we scroll down, we got three YouTube Shorts since I've started my YouTube channel that are ranking within my top 10 videos. And I have about 70 videos on my YouTube channel so far. We got almost 10,000 views on this video right here. Let's click on it. Look at this video. This video is only 24 seconds, guys, and has gotten 53 hours of watch time. A 24-second video with 53 hours of watch time. And as you can see, I've even got 6 subscribes from this video. So this is a way, by using very short form content, that you can grow your YouTube channel. You can get a lot of watch hours, a lot of views without making a 10-minute video. All right, so I want you guys to keep that in mind. If you're not using Shorts, this is definitely something you should be doing. This is a video right here that I did. It was like a one that I did from TikTok. Of course, I took the watermark off and I've loaded it. It's a 24-second video, and the average watch time is 20 seconds. And looks like people are watching 85% of the video minus the last 4 seconds, which is pretty good, guys. You know, people have very short attention spans, so uploading short form content is really great as long as you're staying in the same niche of whatever your channel is about. This can be a great way to get you guys some easy watch time and subscribers and even views to grow your overall channel. All right, I did a comparison of my regular YouTube content, my long form content versus my YouTube Shorts content. And I want to share with you guys the views on how many views I've gotten. And as you can see right here, my regular long form content has gotten 65,000 views so far for the year. And using YouTube Shorts, I've gotten an extra 14,000 views. All right, so keep that in mind, guys. You'll definitely get more views. And this is another thing that I did also. I wanted to track how many subscribers I got, right? I wanted to track how many subscribers I got versus my long form content versus my YouTube Shorts content. And these were the results that I got this year since using YouTube Shorts. So far I've gotten 352 regular subscribers with long form content, and then I've gotten 24 new subscribers with YouTube Shorts. All right, so using these short videos is an amazing way to get more views, more watch hours if you're not monetized already and you want to get monetized so that you can start making money with your YouTube channel. If you're not using YouTube Shorts, I highly recommend you guys start using it today. All right, they even have the YouTube Studio app. If you want to download it straight to your mobile phone, you could start creating short form videos straight from your phone, guys, by using the YouTube Studio app. So that's all I really got for you guys. Be sure to utilize YouTube Shorts if you're not already. Be sure to dig inside your back office to check out your analytics, check out your stats, so you can learn to tweak your content to serve your best audience, and of course get more views, more watch time, and more subscribers to grow your YouTube channel. Like this video, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless you.